We are a family of 4.
ကျမတို့ကမိသားစု၄ယောက်လေ
We are a family of 4. We are a family of 4. Can I have a look?
ကျမကြည့်ကြည့်လို့ရမလား
Can I have a look? Can I have a look? I agree.
ကျမသဘောတူတယ်
I agree. I agree. What kind of movies do you like?
မင်းဘယ်လိုဇာတ်ကားမျိုးတွေကြိုက်လဲ
What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like? Do you know it?
မင်းအဲ့ဒါကိုသိလား
Do you know it? Do you know it? Do you have a boyfriend?
မင်းမချစ်သူကောင်းလေးရှိလား
Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Let's go together.
အတူတူသွားကြစို့
Let's go together. Let's go together. Sorry, I'm tied up.
အားနာပါတယ်ကျမအလုပ်များနေလို့ပါ
Sorry, I'm tied up. Sorry, I'm tied up. Are you free?
မင်းအားလား
Are you free? Are you free? I like watching movies.
ကျမရုပ်ရှင်ကြည့်ရတာကြိုက်တယ်
I like watching movies. I like watching movies. Where do you live?
မင်းဘယ်မှာနေလဲ
Where do you live? Where do you live? Thank you for your help.
ကူညီပေးလို့ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. What are you doing now?
မင်းအခုဘာလုပ်နေလဲ
What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I don't have a boyfriend now.
အခုကျမမှာချစ်သူကောင်းလေးမရှိဘူး
I don't have a boyfriend now. I don't have a boyfriend now. I love shopping.
ကျမဈေးဝယ်ထွက်ရတာအရင်ကြိုက်တယ်
I love shopping. I love shopping. Can I borrow an umbrella?
ကျမထီတစ်ချောင်းငားလို့ရမလား
Can I borrow an umbrella? Can I borrow an umbrella? You're welcome.
ရှာပါတယ်
You're welcome. You're welcome. I understand.
ကျမနားလေတယ်
I understand. I understand. I know.
ကျမသိတယ်
I know. I know. I don't know.
ကျမမသိဘူး
I don't know. I don't know. I'm very busy.
ကျမအရင်အလုပ်ရှုပ်နေတယ်
I'm very busy. I'm very busy. Who are you?
မင်းဘယ်သူလဲ
Who are you? Who are you? What are your hobbies?
မင်းဝါသနာဘာတွေလဲ
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Where are you from?
မင်းဘယ်ရလဲဘယ်နိုင်ငံကလဲ
Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm sorry I'm late.
နောက်ကြလို့ကျမတောင်းပန်ပါတယ်
I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. Can you help me?
မင်းငါ့ကိုကူညီပေးနိုင်မလား
Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't think so.
ကျမအဲ့လိုမထင်ဘူး
I don't think so. I don't think so. Thank you for waiting.
စောင့်နေပြီလို့ကျေးဇူးပါ
Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting.